Just turn the cooker off, take the cap off. It's going to be really hot, so I've got some gloves on here. Never done this before, so I'm just, well, I think that's going to work. Let's pull these out.
So I have 2 more videos with the backwards flag, and so
just flap those seams.
yeah, I'll probably do that.
Few gaps this end right there. It's a bit springy there. You can see it pulling apart in the glue, as opposed to up this end it's really tight, no gaps.
Much happening, the whole day. You're just going to work and feeling better. The whole thing just comes together.
Right, this is about 30 hours after I've glued it up, maybe a bit less. Let's just see how these clamps come off and see how it holds. So with this epoxy glue being so flexible, so bendy, it's like that because it's probably just so old. This laminate here is going to fail as well. It'll just separate. I've got enough wood here, I think, to make some more, some legs. I'll keep trying. I'll use some different glue and set it up again and see how we go. I just want to take this opportunity to explain that the jobs don't always work out. This lamination job that I'm doing, it's been a bit of a fizzer, unfortunately, and I could put it down to, this is my first time I've done it, maybe the wood's too wet because I've steam bent it. Part of it's the glue. The epoxy glue that I've used is something in the order of 17 years old. So really, I shouldn't complain. I've got enough timber. I'll continue to make those laminations. I don't want it to defeat me. I need to master laminations because it's going to be part of some of my future projects. So don't give up. Just learn from your mistakes and you move on. Like I say, things don't always work out. So today's build, I'm going to start a job today. It's going to be a welding job. So I've been doing timber work in my shed up till the last few days. I need to clean the shed up because it's full of timber dust, and when you're welding and grinding, that's dangerous. So I clean it out and I get ready for welding. So it's only a small area that I work in, but I'm grateful for it. I'm just grateful as well, since I've become a full-time maker, that I'm not paying shop rent. Truth be said, it's you know, I'm on my first 12 months. I've given myself 12 to 18 months, and I'm 5 months in, and you can't expect to click your fingers and things to be successful straight away. So I'm giving myself space and time and build up my capability, build up my name, and I've just got my website. Just recently, this last week or so, it's been handed over to me. It's not exactly how I wanted it or perceived it, but so I've got a little bit of work to do on that website to get it how I envisaged it. That might be a little bit tricky for me, but I'll get there. So I'd ask everybody that watches the video if you could please click on my website. That helps it on the analytical side of things, formeindustrious.com.au, and I'll put that into the that's the first time I've done that, into the description just down below. So on that, you know, it's been 5 months since I've left my full-time work and pursued this dream of being a maker, and it's been a really good journey, and I have to express my gratitude with the support that I get from people that watch my videos and comment and subscribe. Thank you very much. And you know, I've reached 30,000, over 30,000 subscribers now, and it's still growing. And so thank you. And just wanted to express my gratitude for everybody that tunes in and watches my work and provides support. Thank you very much. Even those people that don't like the work, that's all part of it. You know, not everyone likes what you do. What else have I got going on? I think I'd be foolish if I didn't explore CNC. You know, you can make one-off things and they take a long time. But there's also, you know, the new age we're going into of the computer world. CNC is part of that, and so I have bought a CNC. I've done a bit of investigation. I really wanted to try and buy an Australian CNC if I, you know, support Australian companies where I can. And so I contacted 3D Tech. That's a company that's down Sydney way, and Ben was extremely helpful to me in deciding what I needed. He's got a lot of knowledge on CNC. And I've decided to buy the CNC, the heavy mill, so I can machine wood up to half a sheet of ply, actually 1300 mils by 1300 mils, so over half a sheet of ply, and also aluminium. So I've got to assemble that machine. It's a kit. I've got to put it all together. I've got to find a space in my 8 meters by 4 meter shed. So something's got to give. I'll have to move some stuff out, but I think it's an important part of the processes for me to be able to take things up a notch or two. So I'll explore that. I haven't used one ever in my life, so I've got to learn the software and I've got to learn the capabilities. So I'm sure I'll be able to have a go and be able to do something with it. So there I am. I'm still working away at trying to build my brand, Forme Industrious, and like I said, I've got the website up and running, and hopefully I'll have some things for sale soon, and that'll help me out. What else have I got happening here? No, that's it. So I'll just from here I'll get into my next video project, which will be making a shop stool. Unfortunately, my laminations didn't turn out. I'll persevere with those though. I'll need to learn those. So I'll get some better glue. So, but I'll start cleaning up my shed, get ready for some steel work, and make a shop stool, and that'll be my video, and I hope to have that out by let's say next week. Try and put a video out every fortnight where I can. So but sometimes I don't have the content. I'm still doing something, but I might not have the content that I feel is fit for putting into a video. So there's my update. I'll thank everybody for tuning in, watching. Very much appreciated that you take the time to sit down and watch my journey, and it is a journey. I've come from working in an environment 30 years to trying to have a crack at it as a maker. So bear with me, and I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you, let's hopefully, next week. Take care.